If you're trying to pick between Lovable and Bildr, both reduce the friction of building apps and websites, but in very different ways. Here's how they compare, and which one might be a better fit for your use case. Lovable lets you describe your idea in plain English, like I want a dashboard with user login, charts, messaging, and a blog, and it generates the full stack app for you: front-end, back-end, database logic, and APIs. What makes Lovable special is that the output is real, editable code. You're not locked into a visual environment forever. You can take over, tweak, extend, or scale parts as needed. It's designed to help you get up and running quickly with minimal setup or boilerplate work. Bildr is a visual-first no-code and low-code platform. You drag and drop UI components, set up logic and relations, link to data sources, and configure workflows. While it is very visual, it also allows the addition of custom code with JavaScript for extra flexibility. It positions itself as a full-stack visual platform, so you get both front-end design and back-end data and logic tools in one unified system. Lovable's strengths lie in speed, flexibility, and code ownership. Because what you get is editable code, you're not locked into a platform. You can evolve beyond what the AI generated. Its prompt-driven workflow means you can iterate quickly, but it's still early. So for very complex or non-standard logic, the AI might misinterpret what you want, and you may need to step in to fix or refine. As your app grows, scaling, edge cases, or tricky integrations might require more work. Bildr's strengths lie in visual predictability, integrated tools, and ease for non-technical users. You see what you're building, you wire logic visually, and you can mix in custom code when you hit limitations. It's more mature in handling the visual design and data side in one place. But the trade-off is that deeply custom logic or highly unique workflows may push you to write a lot of custom code anyway. Also, because much is abstracted, you may have less control over how things are wired under the hood. Some performance, scalability, or architectural decisions might become constrained by the platform. So when should you pick which? Choose Lovable if you want to start from a natural language description, get real app code immediately, and want the freedom to customize, refactor, or leave the platform later. It's especially good if the app you imagine involves both interface and logic, not just static page. Choose Bildr if your project is more visual or data-driven, you prefer to see and configure elements directly, and you want an entire environment front-end and back-end in one place with less concern for code plumbing. The bottom line is this: Lovable gives you AI-powered scaffolding plus real code you can own. Bildr gives you a visual, integrated no-code environment with room for custom coding when needed. Neither is strictly better. The right choice depends on whether you care more about freedom and code control, or visual design and low setup overhead. That's all for this video. If this comparison helped you decide between Lovable and Bildr, tap the heart icon to send a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more comparisons. We'll see you in the next one.